This is new generation for the iPhone screen protector. Very simple and easy. Can washable. Wow. It's the only one can washable protector in the world. Just make it dry. And paste on your iPhone. Pull the air out. That's all. Very simple, very easy. More color you can choose. More function will be coming. This is new generation for iPhone screen protector. Can wash it. Amazing. This is new generation for iPhone screen protector. You can change it, replace it, stop it, keep it, can reuse it by yourself.